Uh-huh. Ooh. Alright. I've been grinding so long, been trying this shit for years. And I got nothing to show, just climbing this rope right here. And if there's a man upstairs, he kept bringing me rain. But I've been sending up prayers and something's changed. I think I finally found my hallelujah. I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Now all my dreams are coming true, yeah. I've been waiting for this moment. It's good to be alive right about now.
I'll tell you what, you don't even have to go inside the yard. Just
Good to be alive right about now. Good to be alive right about
I'll tell you what, put it in gear.
Let that bassline move, yeah, see.
Now, don't
It's
even
good to
just
be
give it a whole lot
alive
of
right
gas.
about now.
Just barely
I
just
was
do
dead
this.